Imagine turning your notes into a ready-to-present slideshow in minutes. Today I will show you how to create perfect presentation using NotebookLM and Gemini. You can do this in just few minutes, so without wasting any time, I will show you how you can do it. Simply search in a Google NotebookLM and then click on the first option, Google NotebookLM AI Research Tool and Thinking Partner. So when you click on this, now you can see there is multiple options. Try NotebookLM, just simply click on this. Now there is multiple options available over there, and there is some templates that you can use for your presentation. If you like, you can proceed with all these templates. It's again depend on your requirements. So simply click on create new. So there is a search bar where you can write your prompt, and below this there is a option where you can upload your file, and also option of website, drive, and copied text. So I will write here that I want to create a presentation on this topic. So now you can see NotebookLM is just going to add information for my presentation. So I will click on import to proceed towards slides. It will take a while, and now you can see they just added some PDF, some Word file from different sources, and according to that it will give a shape to my presentation. So in the center you can see this is the summary of all these files about the topic that I just write in NotebookLM. And now you can see again there is a search bar where I can write, I can give information, and according to that they will give a shape to my presentation. So I write here that I need 10 slides based on all the sources in this notebook. So according to this prompt you can say they will make presentation for me, and your presentation and other stuff shape is completely dependent on your prompt. When it comes to AI, NotebookLM is just going to create this for me. So now these are the 10 slides. Slide 1, introduction to automated fact checking. You can see all these slides information is just available over there. What I will do, I will open Gemini, paste your prompt. So I will write here, because I am going to make presentation by using Gemini and also NotebookLM. I will copy the information that I created in NotebookLM and simply paste here in Gemini. You will see in just few minutes they will create a perfect presentation for me. I will click on submit. Now you can see automated fact checking. So this is something that I was looking for. You can see the figure and the flowchart and the perfect font size, colors, everything just added in just few seconds. You can see other slides, supervised learning, and all these headings that I just mentioned in my prompt. So you can see how beautifully they just organized text and icons. This is really very amazing tool when it comes to do your work in just few minutes. For further changes there is a option you can write here, and according to that Gemini will give shape to your presentation. So for example I will write here, and you can see according to that Gemini will change font and other stuff of my presentation. So I just write here change color, so you can see in just few seconds they will completely change my presentation by doing you can say a simple click. Look, that time that was a kind of green color, and now they just changed the color and also the font size and also the icons and the pictures. It's really look very professional. So you can also change pictures when it comes to further modification. Beside that, if you download this, so you can also adjust all these pictures and other stuff in Canva as well as in PowerPoint. So it's not that much difficult. You can do it in just few minutes. So basically you can create overall presentation by using Gemini, and later you can do changes if you want. That's all from my side. Thank you so much for your time. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe Knowledge Elevator. See you in next video. Have a good day.